Let me show you how to draw bar chart or bar diagram in Origin Pro. Origin Pro gives you always better resolution diagram as compared to Excel and LaTeX. So let me show you how I draw this bar chart in Origin Pro. So here we have x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we have years, like here this is years here, and y-axis we have number of publication here. So simply I need to select these two columns. When I select here, so at the bar here, we have also option. This is column here. But if you do not have this bar here, you just go to the top tabs here, and here is a plot here. When I click the plot, so I have to come here, this pie bar column. So I need to click this column. You see here now the bar chart form. Now I have to work on all these items in order to modify. So I can bring this legend inside the graph here. Now let's first close this diagram. If you like open still fine, but let's close it. So I have to click on this line here. When I click on this line, a box open here. Now this box contain all the information about the graphs, not about the color, but all about the text in these lines, right? For the bars color in detail, we have to click on the bars. But now I click on this line, so this box appear here. So there are many ways, but the quick way here, I need to go to grid line. So grid line means this is now horizontal here. I want the opposite to horizontal. So this bar now appear here. Now here I'm in vertical here. So I need to click here the opposite here. So the top bar will appear. Now it is now close a shape here. Now let's come to the ear here. So the ears looks not good. So we have to give spaces. So this is where I have to go. So I have to go to scale. So when I go to scale here, so the scale is from 2007 to 2025. So this increment mean how many year you want increment. So I want 2 here. You see here, if you want 3 here, so it will appear 3 here, but I want 2. The difference between each year, 2 years, right? So now this is also okay. Now if you want to rotate this x-axis, so okay, where we have to go? We have to go like this title and format. No, this trick, no scale. We have to go to custom trick labels. Custom trick labels. So you hear this rotation now. You want to rotate the x-axis data, so I have to click on the bottom here. So rotation is like, if you want 45, yeah, 45. If you want to 90, so you can also make it 90, like the vertical. But I like the 45 here angle. So I rotate this. You see here. So I don't need this ear because it is common there. This basically means ear here. So if you want to make it this bold here, so just select this here, and from bar here, click here. If you want to increase the text size, you can do this here as well. Similarly for y-axis, right? Now I want to write here, so just click this one here. This is mean number of publication, right? So this is, I need to bold this also. You can change the text, everything. And here I also need to write number of publication. Very nice. So I want to make this also bold here. Very interesting. Okay, so if you want to change this, so I need to click here. When I click here, it's selected, and I need to go to property. Which is property here? So another box is open. So the background I want here like the shadow, like I did for my one. So now this is a shadow appear here, right? Now everything fine looks. Now let's go to this one now. You see when you click on this bar, so now this box appear here. So now there are three tabs here. One is the pattern. The pattern means how you want this bar graph, the line, etc. So here in this pattern, here we have border one is the fill here. So the border means you want black color. Yeah, I want black color. If you want this color, you can apply this. So it will appear that color. You see here. If you want dashes, so you can apply dashes. And very interesting. If you want to increase the line size, so yeah, you can increase here. You see, you can take it to 3. Very interesting, right? But I think I keep this for 1.5 here. Very interesting here. Now this is fill here. So you want to fill, change this color, you can also change this color here. Very interesting here. You see, every color you can change from this individual, but I will keep it for red here, right? So this one is now fine here. Now let's go to spacing. Spacing is also very important. How much space you want between these two bars? So I keep always 20 here. If you can also take it 30 here, you see. If you want here 10 here, so it will be very, yeah. You see how thing works here, right? Very interesting. Now come to a label here. Label means that you want to appear these values on the bars or not. So if you want, make it enable. Yeah, you see here, very interestingly. You want it make it bold, make it bold, apply. Very interestingly. Now here, where you want these values? Yeah, this is very important. At center. You want, no, I don't want at center. Center still okay. I want outside the end here, like we did. Fine here, nice, right? And if you want to keep this white out, so it means it will look much better here. But this color is white here. Why don't we see white? Because there is a white background. If I want to bring it to the end here, so yeah, you will see now the white background. You see, very interesting. If you want to bring it to the center, where is center here? Yeah, center is here. Yeah, it will appear like that. So very interesting thing. And I hope that if you want not only the y value, you want to the x value also, so you can this level form. So you can also put like this, like the year as well as the value here. Very interesting here. You see? Yeah, but I will only keep y here. So I hope I made similar diagram. Perfect. You see? I think better than that one. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like, comments, and subscribe my channel.